This is going to be a video tutorial on how to use web capture in the Microsoft Edge web browser to take screenshots of a web page. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Edge web browser opened up now. To take a screenshot in the Edge browser, I'm going to use a feature called web capture. That's a built-in feature in the Edge web browser. The way to access that, I'm going to go up to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to go down to where it says Web Capture. And I'm going to click on Web Capture. Now a little dialog box opens up here asking you, do you want to capture an area of this web page or do you want to capture the full page? If you want to capture the full page, you would just click on Full Page. And then right here is a sample of what the capture will look like. And it automatically, as you can see, my cursor changed to a pencil. And up at the top up here, you have, it says Draw and then Erase. If you click this drop down next to Draw, I'm going to use the red ink. And then you could adjust the thickness of your line. Say that I wanted to circle some things, highlight some things. And then if I decided I wanted to erase that, there's a little bit of thunder going on outside right now. I don't know if you could hear that. But if I wanted to erase this, I would just click on Erase. And then you just drag your cursor through the line. And that erases it. Another way you could do it, you could capture just an area. I'm going to close this. I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to go back up to the three-dot hamburger menu. I'm going to click back on that. I'm going to go back to web capture. And I'm just going to leave it on capture area. As you can see, my mouse cursor has changed to crosshairs. Say that I wanted to capture just this center pane here. I'm going to place my mouse cursor off to the right side here. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and I'm going to drag. If you want to capture more than what you're seeing on your screen, say that I want to capture the bottom part of this article, I just drag down as far as I want to go. I'm going to stop about right here. I'm going to let go of my left mouse button. Now it asks, do I want to copy this? Do I want to markup capture or do visual search? I'm going to click on markup capture. And that takes me to a screen like I had before where I have the pencil icon now. And I could highlight areas if I wanted to. And then to save this, in the upper right hand corner of this dialog box, you can see it says share. You could share it to Facebook or Messenger or YouTube. The next icon is copy. I can click on this and copy this image and then paste it into Facebook or Twitter or anything. The next icon is save. If I want to save this to my device, I'm going to click on save. And right there it has saved to my device. I can click on the little folder icon here to show inside the folder, or I could click on the trash can to delete the image. I'm just going to click on the image itself to open the image. And there is what I captured. That is how to take a screenshot in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.